I always want to know what the 5-minute chart is doing, but if you flip to a 10, it will give you same information interpreted just a little bit differently. And this will show you a little bit longer duration pattern. And you can certainly see how effective it was on Friday. And then obviously again today, just spreads the time out slowly, a little more theta burn. You can see the daily chart. Keep an eye on this idea. You can see the 30. You can see the 60. And this 10-minute chart seems to be pressing downwards, and then all of a sudden you'll get a bolt above it. I mean, that's typical. Just like this, and then it rolls over again. So I'm looking at this as inconclusive and probably some theta burn now. Yes, the Bernanke gap. I believe that was when I was on vacation. Oh, we had that bolt. Yep. Yeah, I remember that. So that's part of the structure right now. Yeah. Let me see. Where was that? Well, one way is to see it back in here. So this is how you trap and squeeze traders, and then come back in. And this was a perfect integrity talking about better time frame perhaps in August than in June, July. And you can see how we've made a higher high, but look at the volume too. It's really new high on lower volumes. Not all that impressive. Here's a channel that we can see, obviously. Like I said, we won't know until later whether or not we've got a head and shoulders or not. Nobody knows. All you can do is try to observe it and keep it in mind and then see what happens. I think that's why a lot of traders were keeping their eye on that 96 zone. It's pretty important because they were looking at it as that kind of a structure. And you never know until hindsight. Yep. But don't forget, anybody that was using our methodology understood the significance first of that, 52 support, 52.75, and then the, holding 62.5 zone, and then obviously, that 93 zone. Then after that, once you get back here, this is all believable to me. And then I'm on vacation and zip, okay, got you guys. So up to here, I can live with all that. And this part here is okay, got you now. Remember that 49 zone was a double and then took off from there. So currently all we know is that we've come back to test the 75 zone. We said that the other day. Zeke, that was your target. You said, I think we can get 75. That was Friday. So, you're half a day off, and I wish you'd work on your timing a little better, but you got the target right. So all we know is that this support low has to go, right? That's at 70.5. Till that goes, that's still considered support, and we may need some more chopping for a few days. We may not even resolve that this week. Who knows? May just simply be options X and mess with all of the shorts and then come over. Either way, 85 is the big zone that we're going plus or minus right now. Simple as that.